Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have finally got myself the RAZER KRAKEN X Lite Essential Wired Gaming Headset. So I'm very happy that I got this because it was actually out of stock everywhere and I finally found the last one. I was really lucky to be one of the last people and I got this from Argos today. So yeah, this is probably the first RAZER product that I've ever got. So let's unbox it and review it. The headset has 7.1 surround sound, a bendable cardioid microphone, and ultra-light comfort with memory foam cushions. It's supported by all the different platforms such as PC, Mac, PlayStation, Switch, Xbox, and smartphone. It also has ultra-light comfort and custom-tuned 40mm drivers. Okay guys, we have the headset right here and we're gonna start unboxing it now. But wait, I need scissors. Okay, why did I forget how to use scissors? Okay. We've removed the tape. And now let's open it. For gamers, by gamers. This is a really nice box. Okay, it opens like that. Unlock your headset's full potential now. Experience audio precision and immersion with the RAZER 7.1 surround sound app. Scan the QR code. I'll do this later. RAZER KRAKEN X Lite. Okay, this is like a manual. This is what it looks like. Mic diaphragm, air vent. What's this? Ooh, we have nice RAZER stickers. RAZER logos. Maybe you can stick that on the headset, we'll see. Okay, this is the real deal. Let's take this out. Whoa. Okay, we haven't even seen the headset yet. Okay, let's take this. It comes in here and here it is. Whoa, that looks really, really nice. This is where the wire is, and this is for the mic. This is such a nice headset. Look at that premium look. The RAZER writing. It feels really, really good. This looks like a nice over-ear headset. It looks like it can fit around my ears, and it looks very, very comfortable. You've got the nice, I like the all black color scheme. It looks really, really cool. And yeah, let's try this on. And yeah, this fits amazing. It fits perfectly. This looks really cool. Let's take this off. Wow. This is the mic. And then we're gonna take this off as well. The headphone jack. What's in here? What's this? Wait, what is this? Let's see. Stereo output mic. Oh. Oh, this is to use for computers that are designed for use with computers equipped with separate audio output and microphone input jacks. I don't think I'm gonna be needing this because I just play on PS5. So the PS5 controller, the DualSense controller, just has one input jack for the microphone, the headset. So yeah, this looks really, really nice. The leather finish on the top to make it more comfortable. It's quite light actually, and this moves to allow more freedom. What's this for? I don't know what the point of that was, but okay. Yeah. Let's try this on again with the mic. Get the thumbnail in. Okay. So this is the final product. It looks amazing and I'm very happy with the purchase. I would recommend you guys getting it. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. I'm very excited to use this headset. Hopefully my future videos will actually have better sound quality because I've been going the whole time without any gaming headset in my games. So I've just been using the controller speaker. So finally I'm gonna have a good sound output device, so I won't have to just keep putting the controller to my ear to hear everyone. So yeah, hopefully this enhances my gaming experience. And yeah, once again, thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.